Dear students, in this unit we will talk about how plant evolved from the green algae. Now, plants, they colonize the terrestrial land approximately 500 to 470 million years ago, and they evolved from the ancestor of modern green algae. Now, it is widely accepted that these land plants, which are known as embryophytes, they evolved from streptophyte algae, which is also referred as the Charophycean algae, or the ancestor of modern green algae. Now, when we talk about the similarities or those connections which tell us that how plants could have been evolved from green algae is because of the fact that green algae and plants, they share many similarities. For example, both green algae and plant, they contain same photosynthetic pigment, which is chlorophyll A as well as chlorophyll B, as well as carotenoids, including xanthophylls, which is also known as yellow pigment, and carotenes, which is also known as orange pigment. Here you can see green algae. You might find it quite similar to the modern day plants because of the presence of these photosynthetic pigments, which we have just studied. Now, other than this one, both have the ability to store excessive amount of carbohydrates in the form of starch, and they also have cellulose as major component of their cell walls. Other than this one, land plants also exhibit some other features which are closely related with the Charophyceans. The plasma membrane of both Charophyceans as well as the modern day plants, they have the ability, they possess a certain type of cellulose synthesizing complex which helps in the synthesis of cell wall just above the cell membrane. Other than this one, both have the peroxisome enzymes which help them minimize the loss of organic different kind of products as a result of photorespiration. Now, plants and some green algae, they also share certain details of cell division. Plants have a very unique process of cell division in which they form a cell plate during the cytokinesis. The cell plate is formed in the middle of the cell, and same happens in some type of green algae, showing their close relationship with each other. Other than this one, many Charophycean algae, they inhabit shallow waters at the edge of pond and lakes, and it is believed that this was a transition period when green algae, which was aquatic in nature, tend to move towards the land or the terrestrial environment, and these Charophycean algae are the best example, which lives in the edge of ponds and lakes, and they occasionally they experience the process of drying. This, according to scientists, is known as the transition period when green algae decided to invade the land and successfully colonize it.